Agile Methodology, Part 2. What is Scrum? Scrum is a framework within the Agile methodology that is mainly used in software development to manage complex projects. It's based on the principles of Agile, but it provides a more specific set of guidelines and practices for implementing Agile in a team environment. The Scrum framework is based on the following components. 1. Scrum roles. There are 3 primary roles in a Scrum team. A. The product owner. They are responsible for managing the product backlog and defining the project requirements. B. Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring that the Scrum process is followed and facilitating team communication. C. The development team is responsible for delivering working increments of the product in each sprint. 2. Scrum artifacts. Scrum uses 3 primary artifacts to manage the project. A. The product backlog is a prioritized list of features and requirements for the product. B. Sprint backlog is a list of tasks that the team will work on during the current sprint. C. Increment is the working product that is delivered at the end of each sprint. 3. Scrum events. Scrum has several events that are used to manage the project and ensure that the team is on track. These events include sprint planning, daily scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Sprint planning is used to plan the work for the upcoming sprint. Daily scrum is a short meeting where team members discuss progress and plan for the day. Sprint review is used to demonstrate the working product to stakeholders and receive feedback. Sprint retrospective is a meeting where the team reflects on the previous sprint and identifies opportunities for improvement. Overall, the goal of Scrum is to provide a structured and flexible framework for managing complex projects, with a focus on delivering high-quality software in a timely manner. By following the Scrum process and leveraging the strengths of the team, the project can adapt to changing requirements and priorities while still delivering value to the customer. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back with more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, comment with your thoughts, and join our community. As always, build, uplift, motivate, empower.